Hey everyone, and welcome back. Have you ever stared out at the ocean and wondered what secrets lie beneath the waves? What if I told you there's a whole world down there, a shimmering city hidden from our eyes? Well, today we're diving deep into an incredible story about two curious kids, Leo and Mia, who stumbled upon something magical. One sunny afternoon, while exploring a hidden cove, Leo and Mia noticed something strange. A faint pulsating light was glowing from deep underwater. Most kids would be scared, but not these two. They were adventurers at heart. Taking a deep breath, they followed the light, diving deeper and deeper until the world above disappeared. And then they saw it, a city made of coral and crystal, glowing with an otherworldly light. It wasn't empty. Friendly sea creatures with big, curious eyes swam all around them. There were jellyfish that lit up like lanterns, crabs that built tiny sandcastles, and dolphins that seemed to be humming a beautiful song. This was Lumina, the secret city under the ocean. The creatures welcomed them, showing them around their dazzling home. But Lumina had its own rules, secrets whispered on the ocean currents. The first rule was simple: never touch the great pearl at the heart of the city. It powered everything, and its magic was delicate. The second rule was a bit stranger: always be kind, because in Lumina, thoughts could create ripples, and a single mean thought could dim the city's light. Leo and Mia were having the time of their lives, playing hide and seek with seahorses and learning the dolphins' song. But they soon realized the city's glow was fading. A grumpy old octopus who had felt lonely for a long time was dimming the light with his sad thoughts. The kids knew what they had to do. They didn't scold him. Instead, they included him in their games, showing him kindness. Slowly, as the octopus started to smile, the city began to glow brighter than ever before. Leo and Mia learned that the greatest magic in Lumina wasn't the glowing pearl, but the power of friendship and kindness. As they swam back to the surface, promising to keep the city's secret, they knew they would carry a piece of its light with them forever. What an amazing adventure! What secrets do you think are hidden in your own backyard? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more magical stories. See you next time.